My name is Chad Aramura. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Iron.io. We build elastic services on top of multiple clouds that allow developers to build apps quicker and do really massive things super easily.
Travis Reeder.
I'm Cody Baker.
Ken Fromm.
I'm CTO and co-founder.
I'm a UX UI guy, so I work across all of the products, the web, the dev, and the docs.
Business operations, channels, marketing, everything but programming.
But yeah, some coding once in a while.
So in about 2008-ish, we were running a consulting company, and we found ourselves building the same technology over and over and over again. It was a worker system to process big data. So we essentially built a service to scratch our own itch, and we said and we started to find all these different uses for it.
Good question. Well, I think we got a cool team. We all get along. We all hang out together. I think even outside this business, we probably all friends.
Well, we got a team that's all over the world, so you kind of wake up and you find out what happened through the night. And a lot of our developers have done some great stuff, and then you just sort of pick up the ball.
One of our lead engineers is from New Zealand. He flew out to speak at Google I/O. And Rob Pike, one of the founders of, one of the creators of Go, he had a fireside chat about where his mind was when he created Go, why he needed a new language, sort of the creation of that early on. So he told this story, and then he gave the Gopher to Evan Shaw, and there he is in our office here. And so the Gopher is hand delivered from Rob Pike, which is actually a really cool thing. So if you're a geek, that's pretty exciting.
We use online tools for project management, GitHub a lot, HipChat for communication. We use Go pretty heavily on our backend stuff. Go is the Google programming language. We use Ruby for the front end. What do these guys work with that?
And what's really cool about what we do is because we offer developer services, we get to work with some amazing companies. So companies like Twilio and SendGrid, and Mongo Lab and Mongo HQ and the Mongo technology. We get to work with Redis, and we get to work with all these really cool technologies, and our engineers essentially get to a playground to play with really cool technologies. And so it's really unique because we're not sort of building one product and just continuing to build on that product every day in, day out. What we're really doing is coding around some awesome technologies and other people's technologies too. So it's a really amazing thing to be part of the community.